Welcome to this meditation. For this meditation, you will need a pen and paper. A journal would be great, but if you don't have one, pen and paper is perfect. I want you to start by writing down one limiting belief that you want to release. Write down one idea that no longer serves you. And underneath, write down why it doesn't serve you. Write down whatever you are ready to release today. Whatever you feel comfortable with in this moment. You know exactly what to write down. Remember to hold compassion for yourself when doing this. It's okay that these limiting beliefs come up. We are human. It's great that you are choosing to release it. I will give you some time to write. Once you have finished writing, place your pen and paper to the side. Find yourself in a seated position upright in a chair with your hands in your lap or beside you facing upward. I suggest having your feet firmly on the ground for this one. I will give you a few moments to get comfortable. Now that you're feeling comfortable, let's begin. Gently close down your eyes. Let the thoughts from the day just simply float away. What you are doing right now is productive. You are nourishing your soul. You can better show up for yourself and for those around you when you take time to replenish. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Let's do that once more. Breathe in and breathe out. Amazing. Allow yourself to be in this space right now and listen to the music. Now, begin to think about that one limiting belief that you wrote down. We are going to release it through the breath. Picture this limiting belief as a dull, dark color. You can pick whatever color you want. Once you have the color, place your hands on your heart and affirm that you are ready to release this. We are going to take a deep breath in and out, and on the out breath, you're going to picture the color you picked releasing from your body. Picture the color releasing from the feet, going back into the ground, into the soil to be changed into something different. If you're not a visual person, that's okay. Just know it's happening. Breathe in and breathe out. Great. Now instead of that limiting belief, what do you want to believe? What is your new belief? I will give you a few moments. We're now going to picture this new belief as a beautiful bright color. Think about the color you would like to choose. In a moment, we are going to take a deep breath in and out, and on the out breath, you're going to picture the color you picked coming into your body from the ground, from the soil, starting at the bottoms of your feet. Again, if you're not a visual person, that's okay. Just know it is happening. Ready? Take a beautiful deep breath in and out. You just recycled your belief. You changed it and you integrated the change. I'm going to bring you out of this meditation now, and I will ask you to write down one last item in your journal. Let's take one last deep breath in and out. Show yourself gratitude for the work you performed on yourself today. This is healing work. Gently shake out your hands and your feet and open your eyes. When you are ready, jot down your new belief and why this new belief will serve you. I will give you some time to write. I hope you found this meditation transformative. Know that you can repeat this meditation with the same belief again if needed, or you can work on other limiting beliefs. Have a beautiful day.